Hello everyone, back my channel you guys. I don't wanna just sing this, but I wanna hear this song, okay? In my story, okay? I did it. I saw the sunrise and smile, the better stars in your gentle eyes. Was so loud you were my home, the only place where I belong. Every heartbeat was your dream. Every silence spoke just the same. No poem ever held this truth that my soul was made to love you. I love you, my sweetheart, through every storm and sky. You're the reason my heart even dares to fly. In your arms I found my home so true. There's no clean world without you. When I was lost, you were the way. You turned my night into golden days. You kissed the air right off my chest. You filled my chaos with quiet rest.